Hello guys, welcome to another video of feedez channel, and today I'm going to show you guys something new from Spline, the web-based blender. Basically they got something new called Hana, a 2D UI UX. Let me show you. So now they got events and states, real-time vector and boolean, production ready export, and more. So they basically make a competitor of Figma. Let me show you guys. Hana. This is all made in Hana, by the way, no Spline. Booleans, states, Hana by Spline. Okay, let me show you guys about it. So I saw it in YouTube first, but then I saw it either. Okay, so I have been reading the documentation, and this is what I learned basically. So in Spline, we have frame, just like in Figma, and we can play it by the way. Here, look at this. I'm literally playing it right now. This arrow is following me. Also, there's this button. Now let's stop the frame. Also, I'm gonna show you guys this. So there's this button. It has no event, it has no states. And how do I make this button basically look cool? First of all, I'm gonna add a drop shadow. Go. Next thing, I'm gonna give it a state. Why a state? Because it's basically similar to React. No state. I'm gonna increase this high. There we go. So big, small, and I want to make this become bigger when I hover my mouse to it. Easy. I will just go to plus events, and I will just give it mouse over. Now let's try it out. It doesn't work. Why? Because there's this text who has an event called follow, which means it will follow me no matter what, and it has pass through on it. So, oh yeah, about the transition, I forgot about transition. There we go. Base state, there we go. Now let's try it out. See, when I hover through the it just become bigger. I can reduce the fastness of the animation by like this, and as you can see, I can reduce the delay. I can give it like maybe 0.5. See, it's faster now. Now I can change the text to it by one. Okay, yes. I'm gonna change the color to, I'm gonna add also state. This state, the state is gonna be white. Okay, state. Okay, now let's see on the mouse hover, transition, target, also text. So there's gonna be two of it. There's base state, and also there's another one for the text. There we go. Best state 0.5. Now let's try it out. See, that's the cool thing. This literally Figma competitor right here. And let me show you guys about Boolean union. As you guys can see here, this is like a combination between a square and a circle, because it is. Look at this. This is basically a circle, but it's being combined with a triangle using this. I can make it intersect. I can make it what is it called? This cut, I can make it intersect using Boolean. This one is the cut one, this is the intersect one. Also, I can make my own vector drawing. Very cool, just like Figma. Also, there's effect here. There is a drop shadow, there's inner shadow, there's a blur, like layer blur. Also, there's a background blur to make it look like it's a glass. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. It looks like a glass. Interesting. Also, you can make stuff follow the cursor. For example, this, where it is, arrow, look at even. Okay, just add a look at on it. Look, I'm gonna remove the look at. It's not gonna follow me anymore. See, it's not gonna follow me anymore. But if I add look at event on it, boom, it's following me. So what this thing? I removed this follow event. Okay. Event. Okay, let me just change it to start. Nothing happened. Let's just say I change it to follow. Oh, it's gonna follow me. This apply to everything, including this union. I can literally add a follow, and it's gonna follow me, just like the follow. See? That's how neat it is, and you can export this, by the way, just like Figma. Look, I can export it either as a picture, download, and save it here in my Fiverr folder. I will delete it later. Or I can just export it as an embed link. I can just copy the embed link and put it on my website, or just copy it, search it up, and I can play it now. Boom. I can show this. Let's just say I'm animating here right now. I can show this to my boss right now. But yeah, the reason why I am a button doesn't work anymore is because remember, you need a pass-through to be enabled. Okay, this one is pass-through. What is this one? Pass-through? Nope. This is the pass-through button, by the way. It helps the event be detected through it. Now let me show you guys can see. Okay, it doesn't work this time. Let me export it one more time. Export. Let's see if this works. Okay, weirdly it doesn't work. Even though the pass-through button has been added. Maybe it's because the pass-through everything. There we go. There we go. Right again. There we go. Now it works. But it doesn't work. Maybe because this is still new stuff. Click export. Click on this. Absolutely. Okay, see, it doesn't work here. Maybe because it's not safe or something. Yeah, I guess that's it. That's all I want to show you guys about Hana. I truly believe Hana gonna be the next industry standard. I believe Hana gonna take over Figma in terms of industry standard, because Figma license was bought by Adobe and they become a little bit greedy, you know, with all stuff. But it's still losing in some term of like export. Like, let me show you guys. If I click on share here, there's can only be two editors, only two. Meanwhile, Figma we can do it with everyone. Also, Figma has a lot of like plugin that you can add. And meanwhile, here there's no plugin at all. So maybe Spline is gonna be the next industry trend if they improve on that a bit. They have a lot of potential. I can't wait to see what else they're gonna show you us. What they're capable of. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this Hana review, and I hope you guys like it. If you guys are a tech enthusiast like me, or a gamer or a memer like me, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to share this to any other people that love about Figma, but user interface, user experience, or 3D design, because it's gonna help my channel grow. So okay, so see you guys on the next video, and bye bye.